Are you looking for the top 5 smart thermostats you need? Which smart thermostat is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. Let's kick things off with the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential, priced at $139.94. What caught my attention? It's Energy Star certified and works seamlessly with popular voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. If you want an efficient, user-friendly thermostat, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This thermostat can help you save on energy costs, which is a real concern for many. It offers flexible scheduling and remote access through the app, so you can adjust your home temperature from anywhere. With thousands already sold this past month, it's clear people trust ecobee for their home comfort. Plus, it's designed to work with most HVAC systems, making installation straightforward. Now, some people have pointed out that it lacks a touchscreen interface. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who prefers using your phone or voice commands, this is really not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want smart home compatibility without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're after a flashy touchscreen. The value here is solid, especially for energy savings. Now, if the lack of a touchscreen is a concern for you, the next option takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. Next up is the Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat, retailing at just $80.89. What stood out to me? It's budget-friendly and still offers robust features like energy savings and easy DIY installation. If you're looking for value and efficiency, this one's worth your time. The Sensi thermostat can help you save about 23% on HVAC energy costs, which is huge. With flexible scheduling and smart maintenance alerts, it's designed to keep your home comfortable without the stress. Plus, it fits the same space as a traditional thermostat, making installation a breeze. With over 2,000 units sold this month, it's gaining traction for good reason. However, some users mention compatibility issues with more complex HVAC systems, but honestly, most homes will find it works just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast who wants to save on energy bills. Skip this one if you have a unique HVAC setup that requires more advanced features. Great value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option.
Product number 3, ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. Now, let's talk about the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, priced at $199.99. What caught my eye here? It's designed to save you up to 26% on heating and cooling costs, which is a game changer for your wallet. If you want smarter energy management, this is definitely worth a look. The built-in radar occupancy sensor preheats or pre-cools your home so it's comfortable the moment you walk in. Plus, it learns your preferences and adjusts based on your actual usage, which is pretty cool. It's compatible with 90% of HVAC systems, making it versatile for most homes. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's proving to be a popular choice. But here's the downside. It requires a hardwired installation. Some users found this a bit tedious. Still, if you're okay with a little effort for a long-term benefit, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a thermostat that adapts to your lifestyle. Skip this one if you're looking for a battery-operated option. It's a smart investment for energy efficiency. Now, if the installation requirement is a concern, the next product number 4, Honeywell Home RTH 8800WF T5. Let's check out the Honeywell Home RTH 8800WF T5, priced at $93.99. This one caught my attention because of its 7-day programmability and geofencing technology. If you want a thermostat that adapts to your lifestyle, this is a solid choice. With flexible scheduling, users have reported saving between 8% and 16% on their heating and cooling bills. It also tracks energy usage and provides monthly reports, which is super helpful. Plus, it integrates with popular smart home platforms, giving you control right from your smartphone. It's sold over 500 units this month, showing it's making waves. On the downside, it requires a C-wire, which can be a hassle for some users. But if your setup is compatible, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly thermostat that helps save you money. Skip this one if you're not keen on dealing.
Product number 5, Honeywell Home RTH 9585WF Color Thermostat.
Finally, we have the Honeywell Home RTH9585WF Color Thermostat, retailing at $166.52. This one really stands out with its customizable color touchscreen and smart response technology. If you want a stylish yet functional thermostat, this is definitely a great pick. It's ENERGY STAR certified and helps track your energy usage. Plus, it can be programmed to fit your daily routine. This thermostat also allows for utility company rebates, so you might save even more money. With over 500 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among buyers. However, it also requires a C-wire, which some users find limiting. But if you're okay with that, the features and customization it offers are worth it. This is perfect for you if you love home aesthetics and want something that looks good while saving energy. Skip this one if you're looking for a battery-operated model. It's a solid choice for design-conscious consumers. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 top smart thermostats: the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential for budget-conscious buyers, the Emerson Sensi for DIY enthusiasts, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced for those wanting smart features, the Honeywell T5 for flexibility, and finally, the Honeywell Color Thermostat for style. Each has its unique strengths, so think about what matters most to you before making a choice.